This is a really cool Lamborghini. It has over 1,000 horsepower, and I recently just got to take rolling shots of it.
All right, I'm sorry. It's just our rules. Really you can't rev it like that. We have rules to protect the show.
Could you walk
Hey,
over?
nice pictures, by the way, bud.
Oh, thank you. Could you walk over to your car and tell me a little bit about like what's unique about it?
The unique part of the whole build is basically that I put the Super Trofeo full authentic wide body conversion, and it's really hard to get this kit, so it's all authentic Lamborghini stuff.
Yeah,
So
okay.
which is kind of cool. And then obviously it's twin turbo, and I have coilovers and stuff like that, but a lot of cars can do that. This is just the rarity of this is basically the kit. I got the BBS LMRs, JRC coilovers, GP Race twin turbo kit, made about 1,000 wheel. It's running pretty strong, full E85. But yeah, you take awesome pictures, man.
Yeah,
I like
thanks.
those photos that you took rolling to Fontana.
Thanks.
So.